Okay guys, so this is going to be a giveaway video for the new BetaFPV HX115 HD. I did a review video on this guy not too long ago, a couple weeks I think. Pretty nice flyer. It's got the new RunCam split 3 nano camera in there with the whip style board. Flies pretty nice. If you want to be eligible to win this in the giveaway, follow all the rules down in the description. You do need to answer one of the questions, and the answer is going to be in the review video, so I'll put a link to the review video in the description. You'll need to check that out to answer the question. And of course the comments will be moderated, so you won't be able to see anyone else's answers. Of course that wouldn't be fair, because then you wouldn't be able to just watch that, not watch the other video and get the answer from that to enter the contest. So follow all the rules down in the description. This contest will run through October the 20th, and I will draw the winner sometime between October 20th and October 30th, and the winner will be announced in the comment section of this video, and it'll be a pinned comment, so it'll be at the top, so you won't have to search for that. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick one winner and 2 alternates, so hopefully one of the 3 people will be able to claim the prize in time. And again, follow all the rules down in the description, and good luck everybody.